Ready to turn your digital collectibles into cold hard crypto. First, make sure you have Trust Wallet installed and set up. If you haven't already, download it from your app store. Open Trust Wallet and you should see the main screen. Navigate to the NFTs section. It might be labeled NFTs, or if you can't see it, import your NFT. Make sure your NFT is compatible with the blockchain your Trust Wallet is connected to. Now, you'll need to connect your Trust Wallet to an NFT marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible. These platforms let you list and sell your NFTs. Open your device's web browser and go to OpenSea.io. On the top right corner, tap on the profile icon and tap Connect Wallet. Now select Trust Wallet from the available options. Once connected, go to your profile on OpenSea. You should see all the NFTs in your Trust Wallet displayed here. Then click on the NFT you want to sell. On the NFTs page, find and click the Sell button. A listing form will pop up. Here, you'll set your price. Choose your desired cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or Solana, and enter the amount you want to sell your NFT for. Next, select the duration of your listing, how long you want the NFT to be available for sale. You can choose from a set time period or set your own. Be sure to review the service fees and creator fees, so you know exactly what you'll receive after the sale. Finally, click Complete Listing. Trust Wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details, paying close attention to the gas fees, which is the fee for processing the transaction on the blockchain. Once confirmed, your NFT is officially listed for sale. You can now share the link to your listing on social media and wait for the offers to roll in. Remember, you can always adjust the price or cancel your listing if needed. Now you know how to sell your NFTs directly from your Trust Wallet. Good luck with your sales. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides.